Guys, how you doing? I want to show you guys an easy DIY dressmaker. Don't worry about the top of this corset thing I'm working on. It ain't got nothing to do with this dress at the bottom, but I just got it pinned on here because when you're doing draping, you got to pin all your stuff. So don't worry about that. I just need this bodice to do this, so that part is up there. So I'm going to teach you guys how to make a circle skirt maxi, and the ties up here to be a special occasion maxi. So when you guys want to do a special occasion maxi, this is spandex fabric, guys. So I got about, because I like it long. This is probably about, I probably got about 3.5 yards. And then this is the big one, not the 36 inches. So I take this part, right? I do my waist, but I got to cut a little bigger because I'm going to put the split in. So you see this? I'm going to have a split right here like the other maxi that y'all saw me in. You see this? So if you guys need to know how to make a circle skirt, go to YouTube, how to make a circle skirt, okay? So this is the bottom piece, all right? And I'll put a zipper in the back because I'm putting interfacing into the waistline. So this is going to go like this. And then remember, it's going to have a split. Depending, I'm trying to hurry it up so we don't run out of time. Okay? So this will be the bottom of your skirt right here. And the zipper will go on the back because we're going to use some interfacing. So that'll be the bottom. And I like that side split right there in the front, okay? So this is the waistline, okay? So I took my waistline, 28 inches, right? And I put interfacing on the back because I want my waistline to be stiff. So if you don't want the waistline to be stiff and you lose the spandex, you don't got to put interfacing. I wanted mine to be stiff. So you do your waist measurements and use a tape measure. So whatever your measurements is, bloop, there go your waist measurements, okay? And to get these shapes for the boobs, these are long triangles with ties. See that? Long triangle with ties. So you see how it's going to go around? Then your boobs go in there, bloop, 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 just like that. So this part goes, you do it right sides together. We'll sew it right sides together. And you put it on. And you hem all this. You're going to connect your waistband to the dress. Y'all see that? Y'all will have a beautiful special occasion maxi. From me to you, I hope you guys make a beautiful maxi. I wanted to give you guys some back. Thanks for watching. Make a beautiful special occasion maxi. Toodles! Yes, y'all can do it. Simple, easy.